Freezer door ajar alarm will not stop. We replaced the seal around the door several months ago with no problem. Alarm started going off 2 days ago. We have wiped down the area, double-checked that no food items are interfering with the door. Check that freezer is level, removed ice forming on top. I cannot figure out how the door is ajar.
What's the brand and model of your freezer?
Frigidaire upright freezer model #LFFH17F7HWH.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire freezer? What have you tried so far?
2 days. See above.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Only that I am getting cranky at having to listen to the beep constantly.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Open the freezer and push the door switch on the inside of the door opening and see if the light inside goes out.
The light goes out. The alarm is currently not going off, even though I have done nothing since this email. I also do not want to pay the extra $24 to call.
Sorry, that's the site trying to call you, not me, just ignore it. Does the alarm stop when you press the door switch?
I think it did. It is not beeping and the light is off. But that happened yesterday as well, and then it started beeping again today when no one had even opened the freezer.
Okay, thanks. So this means the door switch is faulty, unfortunately, and will need to be replaced. You will need to order and replace this part number ###. You can order it from reliableparts.com, repairclinic.com, or even Amazon to save money.
That makes sense. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.